everyone, welcome back to Real Cooking the Any Kitchen. In today's episode, I will be making plantain pudding. Yes, this is my own invention. I invented this name, all right? It's not a new recipe anyways, but I invented this name. All right, so feel free to call it plantain pudding. But first, I want to apologize. I've not been around in a while. That's because I've been working on something very time consuming, something that's actually time consuming, that be consuming all my time. All right, guys, I miss you all. I'm not gonna lie. I see all your messages, even if I can't reply everyone, but I see your messages. Thank you so much. I love you all. So quickly, guys, we'll be going in and I will be showing you guys how I make my plantain pudding in a very unique and easy way. All right, so I have all my special ingredients all lined out. So guys, this recipe, feel free, you can have it for lunch, breakfast, or even dinner. Yeah, so it's not one kind of recipe that there's a stipulated time you can have it. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'm so excited, guys, because I can't wait to show you how I make my plantain pudding. So quickly, let's go right in. So I will show you my ingredients. Here are my ingredients. I'll be using green beans, carrots, fresh pepper already diced, onions already diced, 2 cubes of seasoning, blended crayfish, and here is my plantain. I've already cut them into size, water, boiled fish. I put the fish into pieces, salt to taste, vegetable oil, and my leaves. I'll be using leaves. So first step, we're going to be blending this. I'm going to blend my plantain. So this goes straight into the blender. All right, our plantain is sitting pretty inside our blender. Please note, use ripe plantain for this recipe, okay? I'll add a little water to this. We are done blending plantain together. So you can see how it looks, how smooth and creamy this looks. I'll just stir this in carefully. So I'll add our crayfish, 1 cube of seasoning, salt to taste, fish goes in. I boil this fish, just give it a little steam. Carrot goes in. Green beans goes in, fresh pepper, onion, I'll just stir this in, Isn't this looking inviting already? Of course it is. Wow. You can make this for that family gathering. Yeah, just give this a very good mix. So I'll add my vegetable oil. A little quantity is just fine. Just stir this in gradually. At this point, don't add water or the texture is just perfect. I love this aroma. I'm tempted to add more crayfish to this. Yeah. Just give this a very good mix. I haven't started cooking this already. The aroma is already heavenly. I know you already like what you see. As much as I do. I'm giving this a very good mix. So this is the most interesting part of it all. This is the part I like the most. So this is time for me to wrap this all together. So guys, if you want to know how easy it is for me to use these leaves, I will be leaving the link in the description box. So you see how I have used this leaf in my previous video. Feel free to go check it out and you will be glad you did. See, I've given this a very good depth, so I'll just scoop some portion in there. A reasonable portion is in there. I'll just go ahead and seal this all together. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap all in my leaves. All right, guys, I'm done wrapping all in my leaves. I'm gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes is just fine. After then, I'll be back and we'll see what this is gonna look like. I know you're excited as much as I am excited. Hey guys, our plantain pudding is ready. So let's unwrap this beauty and let's see how it looks like. As you can see, I've not unwrapped it at all, so I just want us to unwrap this together and see how this looks. Wow! This right here looks so yummy and inviting. You can see how easy it is to make plantain pudding. So you guys, you can feel free to make this for lunch, dinner, or breakfast. It's so easy, guys. The aroma right now is heavenly. All right, guys, thank you all for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. I'm happy this came out so well. All right, guys, please do it to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, turn on the notification post so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. All right, from me, it's bye. Eat healthy, stay healthy, and stay out of trouble. Bye. See you next week.